Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. It's Esosa here. Today we are making broccoli fried rice. So for this recipe, I'm using salmon fish and chicken breast. First, I will pat dry my chicken breast and salmon to remove excess water. Next, I will dice my salmon fish into chunks and my chicken breast. Next, I will season my fish. First, I will add some fish seasoning, some seasoning cubes, oregano seasoning, onion powder. I'll marinate for 1 hour. Next, I'll season my chicken breast. First, I added some oregano seasoning, curry powder, some onion powder, ginger powder, garlic powder, vegetable oil, some seasoning cube. I'll leave that to marinate for 1 hour. Next, I'll season my prawns. First, I added adobe seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, curry powder. I'll leave that to marinate for 1 hour. So this recipe is called broccoli fried rice, right? So we need broccoli. Next, I'll grate my broccoli. I'll set aside. For this recipe, I use 3 cups basmati rice. Next, I will wash my basmati rice. I did that off camera. Next, I will transfer the washed rice into a pot, add some salt and chicken broth. So while the rice is cooking, guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. Thank you for doing that. So I'll cover with a lid and cook for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, guys, I will add the grated broccoli. So I will allow to cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, guys, I'll remove the rice and set aside. So in a pot, I will add some vegetable oil. I will stir fry my marinated salmon fish for 5 to 7 minutes. It's after 5 to 7 minutes, guys. I will stir fry the prawns for 5 minutes. Set aside. So next, I'll add some vegetable oil in a pot. Add the marinated chicken breast. Stir fry for 5 to 7 minutes. And set aside. So next, let's prepare the sauce for the broccoli fried rice. So in this bowl, first I added 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll mix until well combined. In a pot, I'll add some vegetable oil, some chopped onions, some chopped fresh garlic and ginger. I'll stir fry for 3 minutes. Add some chopped carrots, some red bell pepper, add 2 spoonfuls of the sauce, stir fry for 5 to 10 minutes. Next, I will add the cooked rice. I'll add the sauce, add the chicken, salmon, fish, prawns, and just continue stirring until well combined. And I will allow to cook for about 3 minutes. So you guys, my broccoli special fried rice is ready. Just look at that. Just look at that, guys. Looks yummy. And yeah, so guys, my rice is ready and it tasted amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching up until this time. I will see you in my next video. Always stay fabulous and remain blessed. Thank you. Bye.